السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. In this video, I will present to you the second chapter, which is about protozoa. Protozoans are unicellular heterotrophic microorganisms devoid of chlorophyll. They feed by absorption of dissolved organic matter. The classification of protozoans is based on the nature of the locomotion system and the life cycle. Morphological characteristics. The nucleus has a variable structure depending on the group. The organelles are represented by the locomotor apparatus, represented by flagella and cilia, the nervous system represented by neuronym, the digestive system represented by cystotomes and digestive vacuoles, respiratory and osmoregulatory system represented by contractile vacuoles, and the Golgi apparatus named parabasal apparatus, and other structures like mitochondria, ribosomes, vacuoles, etc. The habitat of protozoa is very variable. In the free state, protozoa live in an aquatic or humid environment. The parasitic forms live according to species in various locations. The locomotion of protozoa is ensured either by flagella, pseudopodia, or cilia. Sometimes the locomotor apparatus is lacking. The nutrition can be done either by the osmotic, holozoic, holophytic type or by several simultaneous modes of nutrition. There are two modes of reproduction among protozoa, asexual and sexual. The asexual mode is presented by three types: the binary fission, the multiple fission, called also schizogamy, and the budding. In the sexual mode, we have two types: gametogony or syngamy, and also conjugation. For the classification of protozoans, the first phylum is Sarcomastigophora. We have three subphyla. The first subphylum is Mastigophora or flagellates. We have the main class is Zoomastigophora. For example, we have Leishmania, Trichomonas, Trypanosoma, and Trichonympha. The second subphylum is Opalinata. For example, we have Opalina. The third subphylum is Sarcodina. We have two classes here, Podia and Actinopodia. The genus Amoeba is a member of the class Rhizopodia. The phylum Apicomplexa. We have one main subphylum, the subphylum of Sporozoa, one main class Sporozoidea, for example, Gregarina, and the Plasmodium falciparum, parasite of humans, causes malaria. It is transmitted through the bite of a female Anopheles mosquito. The phylum Myxozoa, parasites causing tumors in vertebrates and fish. The class Myxosporidia, parasites of fish, amphibians, and worms in the form of cysts. For example, we have Myxobolus pfefferi, parasites of invertebrates. The phylum Celiophora is characterized by the presence of hair-like organelles called cilia. They have two nuclei, micronucleus and macronucleus. They exist in free, stalked, symbiotic, and rarely parasitic forms. Class Oligohymenophora, for example, Paramecium caudatum, characterized by the presence of the two modes of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction, and also it contains cilia used in locomotion and feeding, and it has a long oral groove. Another example is Vorticella. The class Polyhymenophora. For example, we have the genus Stentor. Thank you for your attention. In the next video, we will see the third chapter, which is about diploblastic metazoa. Assalamu alaikum.